Hi, I'm Shannon Griffin and welcome to the Riverside Kitchen. Do you want to know how to make the easiest and most delicious chicken tarragon dish, which is ideal for family dinner or even a dinner party? The sauce is aromatic and creamy and it takes just 30 minutes to cook. So the first thing to do is heat oil in a pan, I'm using olive oil, and add the chicken. Cook that for 5 minutes. You don't really want to brown this, you just want to start getting it cooked. And you don't want to cook it for too long, otherwise it goes really tough and chewy, and no one likes chewy chicken. So this dish serves 2 hungry people or 4 sparrows. I'm not saying anything. And it does depend on how much mash you pile up onto your plate. And for me, the plate can't be big enough. The more mash, the merrier. Add the stock. Now for the stock, I've used a double concentrate, which means that I've used twice the number of stock cubes for the amount of water that the instructions provide. If you're using a fresh stock, just reduce it down by boiling off the excess water to about half. Add the stock and cook for a further 5 minutes. Next, add the tarragon and cook that for a few minutes more to allow the dish to develop the flavours of that wonderful tarragon herb. Just take it off the heat and let it cool for a little bit. Allow it to cool before adding the cream. You don't want to add it when it's boiling because you run the risk of splitting the cream. Meanwhile, whilst you're waiting for that to cool, cook your vegetables. Now I like to serve this particular meal with carrots, with caraway seeds, with French beans and also with lashings of creamy mash. Now, I come from an Irish background, which is why I like my potatoes, and I hope you do too. So pour in the cream. Naughty but nice. Very naughty actually. Then a squeeze of lemon juice. Put back on the heat. Give it a taste to see if it needs more seasoning. A little bit of salt, not much. And of course, a bit of pepper. And then just make sure it's heated through thoroughly before serving. Dish is made. So let's dive in, shall we? You know, I've been cooking this for years, and it's no wonder people keep coming back and asking for more. It's just delicious. So thank you for watching. We'd love you to like and share our channel, and of course subscribe if you want to get all of our latest recipes. Now, if you've got any comments about this recipe, you try it out, we'd love to hear what your thoughts are. So do put your comments in the comment section below. And from the Riverside Kitchen, cheers and cheerio.